Welcome students to another video of first year intermediate grammar. Okay, in this video we are covering question number 19 and 20. Okay, and question number 19 for 4 marks and 20 for 4 marks. In this video we detailedly explain what odd sounds are and how we have to write answers for this in the examination. Okay, now you can find this information from page number 234 235 of your textbook. Okay, now everything based on the textbook. Okay students, that's the reason we have been giving number of pages, okay, page numbers, etc. in your videos, so that you can have a look on that and you can be confident about writing the exam. Okay, now here odd sounds. How examiner will give questions like, okay, they will give you 3 words. Okay, how many words they'll give? 3 words. They underline a particular part of this spelling. In respect of that particular part of the spelling, 2 are similar, 1 is different. Listen carefully. 2 are different and 1 is okay. 2 are similar and 1 is different, and that different sound is our answer. The different sound is our answer. Okay, let me make this point still more clear for you so that we can understand. This subject is really easy. Just we need to understand how to read words. Okay, how to read words. How to read words? For example, read this: sit, fit, serve. Okay, which letter is underlined here? I is underlined. Okay, what does it mean? We have to see the spelling of I in all these 3 words, and we have to identify which one is differently pronounced. Okay, which one is differently pronounced? See, sit. Here we are taking E sound. Fit. And this is serve. This is our answer. Okay, sir is our answer. Next, here we have crop, C-R-O-P. Okay, C-R-O-P, C-L-O-N-E, D-R-O-P. Okay, now I have underlined these sounds based on which we can find the correct one. Now, can you read these letters? Okay, words here: crop, clone, drop. What it is? Crop, clone, drop. See, crop and drop are pronounced similarly in respect of O, is it not? Okay students, now shall we try next one? Great, general, group. Okay, great, general, group. Here G is underlined. This G is pronounced as G sound, and here also we pronounced as G sound, and this G is pronounced as J sound. J, general. Okay, this is what I'm asking you to observe from the textbook. Okay, J, general. Okay, next here we have cheap, chain, cows. This is not pronounced as chows. Okay, this is pronounced as cows. K. So this is different. Did you understand, students? Next, cows. College, garage, marriage. Okay, here G is pronounced college. The first letter garage, this is pronounced as G. This is pronounced as G, garage. And this is pronounced as J, marriage. So which is different? Garage is different. Okay, now here exist, exam, exercise. Exist, G sound is coming here. Exam, G sound is coming. Exercise, K sound is coming. Okay, now let's take an exercise for this. Let us check. Let us check this exercise. See, I wrote hope, rod, rope. Okay, hope, rod, rope. Okay, now hope, rod, rope. Which is differently pronounced? Rod is differently pronounced. How can we say that? H-O-P-E-R-O-D. Hope, rope, rod. Here we are taking a sound. Okay, then break, great, heat. Okay, what is this? Break, great, heat. Break, great or similar, heat is different. Okay, are you able to understand, students? Next, we have finger, engine, anger. Okay, finger, engine, anger. In finger and anger we are taking ga pronunciation, and here we are taking ja pronunciation, engine. So engine is different. Okay, next we have push, pull, PR. What is this? Push, pull, PR. And okay, suppose, sucrose, super, both are pronounced as sucrose, super, and finally the different one is suppose. Okay, students, now did you understand the concept? Yeah. Okay, in the same video we are going to cover another topic. Okay, question number 20, that is syllables. Okay, extra information about this odd sounds can be found from 234 and 235 page. Okay, students? Well, now students, it's time for us to talk about syllables, which is another subject, that is the last question in our intermediate first year. Okay, I'll give some more videos on prose and poetry, don't worry about it. Okay, well, first let us complete section B and C, which is for 6 marks, 60 marks. Okay, and after that we'll talk about prose and poetry in forthcoming videos, right? Well, now first year inter, this is question number 20 and topic is syllable. Now what is a syllable? Okay, students, listen. A syllable is a group of one or more sounds with the vowel sound as its important element. So what we need to find? We need to find vowel sound as its important element. Now how can we write this? For example, if you say book, okay, this is a consonant, this is vowel sound, and this is consonant. Okay, consonant, vowel, consonant. Okay, now consonant, vowel, consonant put together is one syllable. Okay, students. Now there are 4 different kinds of syllables or syllables in words in this category. Okay, 1, the monosyllabic word, means that has a single vowel sound. Disyllabic words that has 2 vowel sounds. Tri-syllabic words that has 3 vowel sounds. And polysyllabic words that has more than 4. So polysyllabic means more than 3. Okay, that is 4 syllables. Okay, if a word contains 4 syllables, it is called polysyllabic word. Okay, students. Now let us see some of the words, okay, and how to understand that. See here. Life. How to pronounce this word? Life. This is a monosyllabic word because we have only 1 vowel sound. How many vowel sounds we have? Only 1 vowel sound we have. Pen. How many vowel sounds? 1. Phone. O. Hat. A. Quiet. Q-U-O. U-I put together is 1 sound. Quiet. Now, these are all monosyllabic words. Did you understand, students? What they are all? Monosyllabic words. Now, disyllabic words can be that have 2 syllables in them. How many? 2 syllables. So this 2 syllables concept can be understood like this. Okay? 2 syllables. Engage. E-N put together 1 syllable. G-A-G-E put together another syllables. Engage. Okay? Now suffer. Suffer. Okay? Suffer. Then teacher. Matter. Okay? Father. This is 1 syllable. This is 2 syllable. So we have 2 syllables in these words. These are called disyllabic words. Okay, students. Next, we have trisyllabic words. So what are these trisyllabic words? The word has 3 syllables. Telephone. Okay? The last E is not pronounced, if you understand. Okay? The last E is not pronounced. Okay? Hence, the word has 3 syllables. We have to write it as trisyllabic words. Okay? Now, potato. Okay, how many syllables we have? Potato. The next, ambulance. E is not pronounced. Next, invalid. Invalid. Next, represent. Okay, represent. Now, polysyllabic words can be like this. Classification. How many are there? Classification. Then, next word. Education. What is this? Education. Then, congratulate. How many syllables are there? 1, 2, 3, 4. Okay. Then, civilization. Next, observatory. Okay. Now, here we have another exercise like question. How many are there? Question. Right, 2 syllables. Sorry, disyllabic. Boat, monosyllabic. Then time, monosyllabic. Fate, monosyllabic. Okay, how the examiner will give questions for us? The examiner will give 6 words. You have to identify syllables for any 4 words. Okay, that is the concept. Okay. Okay, students. How many words they'll give? Any 4 words they'll give. You have to read and write word like, for example, English. That is, write English. How many Syllables are there. English. Okay. Disyllabic. Like this you have to write. Did you understand, students? Yeah. Okay. Hope you might have understood with this. Okay. We'll come with another video. Okay. On another topic. Okay. Stay safe. Stay at home. Okay, students. Have a good time.